Hi, it's Mette from nlpmarketing.net again. It's time for our second video in how to master NLP and hypnosis when you're marketing your products or services. If you haven't signed up yet for my free weekly video course, you can do so by going to nlpmarketing.net, and you'll get free weekly videos on how to use hypnotic suggestions in your marketing or advertisement. Hypnotic marketing, well, what exactly is that? A typical example of how hypnotic marketing can be and what it stands for is that it should be unforgettable messages or advertisement that is easily remembered. Be it audio, video, or in text format, it can all be done in an hypnotical way. A typical example is to spell a word in a different way than it is pronounced, or that you misspell a word deliberately. The mind then tries to correct the word and create balance and normalize the word. The more thought process your customers or your readers put into it, the more they will remember your message. It's the same principle as when you look at the clouds. Even if they are just clouds, your mind tries to figure out what the heck that cloud is, and suddenly you ask your friend, "Hey, doesn't that cloud look like a dog?" Other ways to use hypnosis in marketing is to make your audience associate with your message or the person that you use in your marketing or advertisement picture or text. When a person associates himself with the marketing material, the human mind suddenly pictures how it is to be that person that you use in your advertisement. It's the same principle the movie makers or directors use to catch the attention of their audience or viewer. Have you ever watched a movie where you suddenly realize that you blocked everything out except the movie out of your sight and attention? You didn't see the bookshelf or the DVD shelf or the window, the wall, nothing except the movie. That's a hypnotic state for you. The same thing could be applied to neuro-linguistic programming, NLP, in the written word. That means you can use the same concept and the same methods when you try to catch the attention of your reader. For example, if you're targeting a group of people, let's say it's an immigration population, and you have a product or service targeting this group of people. Imagine if your first word or your first words was, "Hey, immigrant," or big letters that says, "About immigrants, ... Instantly you'll catch the attention of your targeted audience because they identify themselves with your text. Or let's say you target single parents or single mothers. Let's say you start with the sentence as single mother's nightmare ... That's the title of your advertisement, the header. I mean, that nightmare could be anything. The single mother reading this first sentence will in a second try to figure out in her mind what the heck the nightmare could be. Because believe me, as you probably know yourself, every single parent have worries and nightmares that others wouldn't think of in their wildest imagination. The reader in this case, the single mother, already identified herself with your first sentence, with your header. The rest is up to you. You got her attention. What are you going to do next? Stay tuned for my third video on how to use hypnotic suggestions in marketing.